Restless here. Alright, okay, hold on. I want them to give me some pointers. I want to get one solid hit on this thing. Alright, one solid hit. Hit the grill. Smash that grill in right where it says forward. Here I go. I'm just gonna go full gorilla.
Hit it!
Full gorilla.
Hit it!
Don't hurt his hand.
Oh,
no, the grill.
Look out.
The grill. Right there. Forward. Forward. Hit that! Ah! Yeah! Okay, oh, here we go! Grill. Oh, man. Hit the grill and the light. Kill the dragon.
Rip off the door.
Time out. Hold on. Can you guys hear me? Oh, okay. All right, keep going. God bless us, everyone. How about that door? Will it come off? Let's go. Flip it.
Let's flip it. Flip it.
Hold on. Time out. Hold on. Kev, hold on.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God!
Get under it.
I get it.
Go under it.
Oh,